Quick video on how to replace your spark plug. I've already done the first 4 here. I'm gonna do this one now. I'll show you a quick little demonstration. The hardest one being the number 4 cylinder, I believe it is, if I'm correct that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Obviously, just because this charge pipe is in the way. 8mm bolt, could be a 10mm, could be a whatever. You could unplug this. I might have to. No, it doesn't look like it. Squirt of jungle juice in there, just to old fucking rusty knuckle. Oh, yeah. A little squirt of that stuff, just to get in there and that little bit of schmutz down there, we're not going to worry about that because we don't want to push anything into the gaping hole right there. We just want to go until it stops, like right there. Anything more than that, be a bad day. Not quite sure how hefty you want to go with this shit, so we'll do a little. Voila, that shit, you know. Nice little schmutz, that's all. Nice little turd. Like, of course, if I had power tools, we'd be on the couch with a sody. Just snug it. That's it, folks. Just cover up that oil up there and keep driving. See you on the next one. Shit at home where you have no tools. So this T25 on the charge pipe, I believe, is what the people call it these days. You don't have much space here, so my screwdriver is completely in under my radiator support, and I can barely get my hand in under my screwdriver to get some sort of leverage, whether I be tightening or loosening that, but you don't need much. So then you can just come back out. So it's too high, obviously, being here, so you have to literally snake it in behind, line up, right, and then get your hand set up above your fan and radiator, and then you can, you know, loosen or tighten it. But if you guys only have a T25 in the form of a screwdriver, you can still do it.